Good morning, welcome to the Beast. I'm going to give an explanation of PPE for clients and for staff, what we wear, and for consies. So I thought I'd show you the Beast because you will see me with some hair on, and it always reminds me why I made the right decision. Ta-da! Now, if ever this looks like something out of Sweeney Todd, the barbers, I look like a butcher. Right, so this is a overall that I wear when I'm doing consies, and I generally do the consies with this mask on. So consultation normally sits here, I'll slide it over, I'll chat around here, and then I'll be able to go and attach a sample so people can see just how good it looks. And I'll do another video on how clients and consies come in. Clients come in for their regrooms and fittings, and consies come in to see me. But you still got a chance to see my hair, and with my butcher's outfit on. Alright, sometimes during the consultation I may put this on if I'm doing something I need to see a bit better, but you can see I'm protected. Got my butcher's Sweeney Todd outfit on, and the stylists also. They perform the haircuts with the visor on. And when they're training, they sit here and do the training, and the client sat there with his or her PPE on. So I'm now going to go and dress up in how the clients and consultations look. As you can see, this is slightly different PPE. This is for clients who come in for regrooms and fittings, and also consies. So we keep you as safe as possible. Generally, sit in the chair and either speak to the stylist like this, or me, I'm generally sat in this stall giving the consultation also. Okay, so you can see we're very safe on what we're doing, and we're looking forward to seeing everybody. Take care.